This is what it looks like up top. It's pretty significant, right? And then you have this little gravel portion over here as well. It has to be replaced because we have hail damage to that flashing. So we didn't say that we have to replace it because of hail damage to the ballast or to the matting, although you can see splatter, and maybe we could make a case on the underlayment or something like that, but we don't have to go there right now because we have damage to the flashing, direct physical damage, hail damage to the flashing. So to replace that flashing, this system over here also must be addressed. So we've got like this coating system here, and you can see pretty clearly on the coating, you know, the damage. So you've got the damage to places like that right there. There. So you have the damage everywhere. And so what the carrier has now said is they just want to pay, the insurance company just wants to pay to recoat it, which to some observers you're like, I can't believe that, you know, like they're ripping them off. Hail damage all down there, right? And for sure, to be sure, they're shorting them, right? But they've applied coverage. They paid to recoat it. So, but unfortunately, to recoat it, to follow that prescription, we can. And to comply with code, because the underlayment, the decking, is water soaked. And also, you can't have more than one roofing system. Also, you have to go down to the deck. Also, if you go down to the deck, you're gonna have to replace part of the deck because the building code requires that you have a solid nailable sheathing. Okay, so then once you've opened up the deck, now you've exposed the roof cavity, and now the R values to this roof system must also be brought up to code according to the International Energy Conservation Code, IECC. If you didn't know, write that down. But the way I see it, man, this entire roof system and all layers in it down to the deck need to be replaced, including this funky lightning rod system that's all over the building. Like, it's everywhere. It goes all the way down this parapet wall, all the way down, tucked up underneath the cat flashing, all the way down. So that's about it. I mean, we've got plumbing and electrical and mechanical, obviously AC units to deal with out here. They have a lot of damage as well. All flashing must be replaced where rusted, damaged, or deteriorated. And simply put, the screws and nails that goes through all of this flashing is damage, constitutes damage, and therefore it must be replaced. But I mean, look, we've got a lot of plumbing and electrical to deal with out here. And so should we have to deal with overhead and profit? You betcha, right? Because we've reached a level of complexity and or coordination required of a general contractor to use their standards, right? Was there hail here? What do you think? Boulder, Colorado.